Alright ladies, let's talk about the reality of vacation hair prep. Sometimes life just has other plans and you find yourself halfway to paradise with a half done head of hair. So here I am prepping this cute crochet hairstyle for my vacation to sunny Mexico. Everything's going smoothly until time decides to run out. Next thing you know, I'm throwing hair extensions into my luggage, grabbing my passport, and rushing to the airport with a half done do. So welcome to Mag's house. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you are new to this channel, howdy and hello. Make sure you're subscribed so you never miss a video that comes out. To prep my hair for the crochets that are about to go in, I am braiding the hair down. I start off with sectioning the hair. So I have a front section that I split into two parts, and then I applied some oil to detangle, and then now you see me braiding one half of the section, right? So I have 8 braids in total that will be in the front. Ta-da! See, it's like magic. But nonetheless, 8 braids, okay? And the goal here is that I wanted smaller braids so that I have smaller sections that can look like parts in my hair. So if I want to wear a side part or a middle part, I have that available. For the back section, I am still detangling to try and help with braiding. My hair was very, tangled. It was a mess, okay? But I find that combing it through while I am braiding sometimes is helpful. For those braids that I had in the front, I am feeding those into the sections of hair. And notice as I did the back part, I just used my fingers to make those part. If you notice, these braids in the back are a bit bigger than the ones in the front. And the purpose of these braids back here is really just to secure the hair down. I'm not as worried about the size of them because they're going to be covered in hair. Like, this will not be able to be seen. So now in terms of getting rid of the ends of my hair, right, so they're not just hanging down, I am basically looping them through the braids. So I am taking that crochet needle, inserting it underneath, and pulling the hair under the braid and then wrapping it around again. And then that way it's almost like a spiral or a snake going around the braid itself, and it's kind of interwoven within the hair. Okay, so our 8 braids in the front have been braided into the 6 braids in the back, and then those have been interwoven into themselves. And now, just to clean up the sides, I am going to slick down the sideburns. Y'all, something about slick sideburns, I think number one is so beautiful. Like, something about it is like classy, polished to have that done. And then number two, considering that at this point I'm realizing time about to run out, I knew, okay, something got to make me look put together. So I tried a hat with the sideburns. That was okay, but it wasn't really giving me the vibe I was going for. And then I found my handy dandy scarf. Yes. Yeah, imagine I almost gave this scarf away to the thrift store. Nonetheless, we have a plane to catch. Let's go. Now imagine going through airport security with a scarf wrapped around your head and a bag full of hair. The looks, y'all, the looks. But hey, we've all been there, right? Fast forward, and I'm in Mexico enjoying the beautiful sights with half my hair done and a scarf working overtime. Between sightseeing, bike riding, and even grabbing drinks with my hubby, it was a whole vibe. But let's be honest, who's really worried about hair when you're sipping margaritas by the beach? But you know me, I couldn't let the vacation hair struggle win. With a little bit of patience and a lot of determination, I finally got it together and finished the look. And here's how it all came together. So I have my crochet needle that I definitely had to pack in a bag, my hair. I am using the Twisted Up Passion Jerry Curl 22 inch, and I have 2 different colors, a number 4 and an OM 27. To begin the crochet, you are going to slide the crochet needle underneath the braid. You clip the hair onto the clip and then close the clip. Then you're going to pull that crochet needle from underneath the hair. So pull it down. That is going to pull the hair that you just attached to the needle underneath the braid for you to be able to pull through the open part of it and then pull the braid. After watching a few other videos, I did decide to loop the hair through the opening 2 times. That way the hair would stay crocheted tighter, because in my previous experience of doing this, sometimes the crochet braids would be trying to come out. So I figured if I did it twice, that would make it really stay secure to my hair. So this is 1 pack of hair, okay? And it's a few things. So I will say like, okay, there's a net that's around here, this hair, and to me, all it's doing is like making this get tangled. And then the silk, shoot, see what I'm saying? Then I got hair dropping on the floor. I don't want hair on these people's floor. All right, and then it's like the gold piece that's in here is getting tangled in. So I can't say that I like that part because it's like making it harder than it have to be, and it's tangling up the hair. But anyway, this is 1 pack of hair in my head, and my goal is not to have too many packs, because the last time I did this some years back, it's like I used a lot of hair in the back and still had to cover the front, and it ended up with me having a lot of hair just on my head. And I don't want, like, I want it to be full, but not to the point where it's like too full and it just look crazy because it's too big. Plus just like going out and about, like I want to feel light. I don't want to feel super heavy. So, but as you can see, as I'm just talking with y'all, I'm just popping these little things in. I have had to do a couple of the braids again. In my mind, when I say had to do the braids again, meaning like to like retwist them through for them to be interwoven inside of my hair. But if I would have had the crochets on, that would have been helpful, you know? So, but it's been like 24 hours since I put them in. So, see this? I don't like that I'm having to like be messy with pulling this hair. So I'm gonna try and set this up a little bit better when I do the next pack. But I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm rushing. And another thing I've noticed, it's better to lay the hair that you are working on to the side, so that way you don't grab one of these end pieces like I just did before and had to fix it. So we learning, y'all, we learning. We gonna get this down. We gonna be cute at the end of the day. And see, if it goes too far and you feel like it's getting messy, you can always push your clip more, close it, and take it out. All right, here's a mistake that happened where I was trying to pull it through and it got caught on the hair. So I'm flipping it around, kind of digging it out to see, because it's stuck on my hair. And then I'm gonna just have to pull that whole piece out because it just got messed up. So again, it makes it better if we push it all the way through. Kind of very far so it can't get stuck on the hair, then pull it through. Open, flip, flip. Woo. All right, I got my shoes on. And then my romper, this came from a boutique in Metairie called Blush Boutique. It's so cute and jazzy. So since we're on a bike tour, I figured, you know, I wanted something sporty, breezy, comfortable. It has built-in underwear, so I didn't have to put that on. I did put on a strapless bra because it's fitted, but it's not support. And as a mama of 3, I need support. So it's like, go. All right, put these in, and then we're gonna get to the front. Either we're gonna do it now or we're gonna do it when we come back, but we're gonna figure it out. All right, so we made it a good way through. All right, can we see all of that? Hopefully. I'm going to start splitting these in half because we get into the front. I had it be where it's too much, so that's why I'm like, you know what? I could see why somebody would say split it when you start getting to the front. And I'm really not trying to get too far in the front because I'm gonna have to end up putting a hat on. Oh, look at this.
Yeah, man, that's all your stuff?
Huh? Yeah, why?
And this is like an expensive supply dealer. I'm like, I see Tom Ford. It's like, I was going to do a sample, please. No, I'm just moving my over here.
Janari, how you thought that this body was glowing?
I mean, I guess I see why.
I think if I lightly do it, it make it better. And like just running my thumb through it is helping to separate it better. Yeah. Bringing it through. You know what? And this hair is a little harder to feel because it's thin. There we go. Look it. Bring it through. Why do I keep doing this? No, it's really driving me. I might have to ask the front desk for some scissors because. So I'll be back in a bit for us to finish, but going on a bike tour. See y'all soon. So as you can see, the handy dandy scarf had to make its debut yet again. Baby, I was all over Mexico with this scarf, okay? But it really went with the outfit and looked like it was intentional. So, baby, I was styling and profiling, faking it till I made it, okay? And your girl was getting compliments. So, baby, I think it worked out just fine. All right, y'all, we are back from the bike tour. Clearly, I had to put this scarf on my head, which is saving my life on this trip. So let's get back into doing the rest of this hair. Take all this stuff off. The bike tour was wonderful. All right, let's get to it. All right, y'all. So we are on the final stretch, and baby, I'm tired. All right, so you see we got this side done, right? Okay, it's giving big hair. All right, this side, I'm on the last one, and I am doing the invisible knot. I'm sliding this through, and then I hook it, pull it through, take it out. Now here, I'm about to only take 1/2 of it and loop that around, and then pull it. And then that way it makes the hair like overlap and like makes it look like I have a part down the middle. Y'all see that? So here's a close-up view of me doing that invisible knot again. Again, I am going to pull the hair through and take only one of the 2 pieces of hair that's hanging to slide it through. And like side note, y'all, this is the view outside. Water. And I'm just sharing that, y'all, honestly, because God is so good. God is so good. When I look out there, I'm like, baby, I'm doing crochet hair. And I look over to the beach. I'm like, what? That's not my everyday. So maybe for somebody who sees this all the time, it's like, that's nothing. But for me, Louisiana is pretty flat. So just taking in the moment, you know. And happy to be here with you guys regarding this video, because this is a blessing and an opportunity to do this too. So it's just like, I mean, my heart is really feeling gracious. All right. Now, did I learn a couple of things? Yes. Like even on these braids on the top, I probably could have did these a little tighter so it wouldn't be like so bushy. Because what happens is like I have to work harder to cover that up. So, I mean, again, but this is the first time I did this in like years. So I'm gonna take this, and considering that I have been literally traveling at the same time, we're gonna roll with it. See, I want to show y'all. See how you can see this is braid right here. So it's like I'm having to work harder to cover that up, but it's okay because I only should need a few more pieces. All right, guys, so this is the final look. I'm gonna get up and get in a big mirror and show you guys, but here's where we're at right now, and it is giving volume, honey. I'm gonna see if the gift shop has a little mousse because it's a little bit too much volume for me for right now, because I guess it, like, I don't know, it's just kind of giving like fake hair look, but it is really cute, and I think the color combination is super cute too. This is it from the back. This is it from the front. I went from scarf covered tourist to vacation ready in 2.5 seconds. The struggle may have been real, but we figured it out. Let me know in the comments if you've ever had a hair emergency like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep those curls cute no matter where life takes you.